We've got the Pixel 3 XL in hand today, and in this video, let's unbox it and take a quick look. Hey guys, Ash here from C4 Retech, and let's get started. So if you do end up liking this video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon, and a card to a latest giveaway. Check it out if you haven't yet. So here's the box the Pixel 3 XL comes in. Are you on Team Pixel? Opening it up, we have the Pixel 3 XL itself. Let's remove it from its protective plastic. It looks quite similar to the last gen Pixel, but the back has a soft feel to it. I really like it. It feels nice in hand. Now this is a soft touch glass. It's worth noting that both the front and back happen to be Gorilla Glass 5. By the way, there is support for wireless charging. We have nothing up top since no headphone jack. A mic to the left, a SIM tray, a Type-C port to the bottom, the regular power and volume keys to the right. Now, the controversial notch. Now that's something Google have adopted here with the Pixel 3, but there is a good reason for it. We get dual cameras to the front, 8 megapixel sensors both, one with a f1.8 lens and another with a wide-angle f2.2 lens. The results seem amazing, even under low light. Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself, so let's return to the box contents. We have a SIM ejector tool. Let's get started. Booklet. A Team Pixel and Google sticker that immediately ended up on my MSI laptop. This picture, by the way, was shot with a 12.2 megapixel f1.8 rear camera. That seems to be awesome too. Anyway, moving on, we have a safety information booklet, then a pair of Google EarPods. Okay, they're not being called EarPods, they're being called Pixel USB-C earbuds. It supports Google Assistant, should be interesting to test. We then have a USB to Type-C, or rather Type-C to USB converter, a Type-C to Type-C cable, a Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack converter, and an 18-watt travel adapter. And hey, Google's included it in the box. Apple. So coming back to the build, the Pixel 3 XL feels very well built. After quite a while, we get to see a stereo front-firing speaker setup. The notch, this means it's a 6.3-inch HDR panel. The resolution is Quad HD+. It's 18.5 by 9, so the pixel density is a rich 523 pixels per inch. There is support for always on. Talking about that, this is an OLED panel, so the blacks aren't lit, and always on kind of makes sense. The infinite contrast thanks to those inky deep blacks makes this display look really good. There are multiple color profiles to choose from, and of course there's IP68 water and dust resistance as well. Now underneath the hood, we've got arguably the best chip on the Android side of things today, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. There's 4 gigs of RAM, 64 or 128 gigs of onboard storage to go along with it. The Pixel Visual Core returns, and there's a 3430 mAh battery backing all this up. Now that is gonna be worth testing. I wonder how that holds up given the huge display and the powerful Snapdragon 845. The Pixel 3 XL, as expected, runs on Android 9 Pie. This brings with it quite a few new features, including the pill, which is on by default. Digital well-being is included. It lets you track how much you use your phone and for what, and help reduce the time you spend on it. And as expected, you can squeeze to activate Google Assistant. The fingerprint scanner is also instantaneous, no complaints. Now while all that's great, I'm sure like me, you've been waiting for the good stuff, the cameras. The rear camera, like I said, is a 12.2 megapixel sensor with a f1.8 lens. There is OIS. The camera app feels a bit iOS-y, if that is a word, but it's got some kick-ass functionality, seamless transition between the two selfie cameras, software zoom that leverages Google's processing to get some sweet shots even without dual rear cameras, and my favorite, object tracking. So tap on something on screen and move around, and the Pixel 3 locks focus on it. Now this is not something new, it's been done before, but the implementation seems great here. Props to Google. And now it's time for some camera samples. I got this phone late in the evening and just managed to shoot low light, and if they look this good, I can't wait to see what this guy can do under the sun tomorrow. I'm impressed, I really am. Just look at the detail here. The colors are also very much on point. Now these are various levels of software zoom. More selfie shots with the two cameras. The portraits are as good as I last remember them on the 2XL, maybe a touch better. Google's processing just feels unrivaled. One thing I was a little disappointed about is the lack of 4K 60 FPS. Now that seems to be something every brand's including, at least the premium ones. There is 4K 30 here and the stabilization seems great, but I really wish 4K 60 was included. Anyway, I'm very excited to be testing the 3XL. I feel Google has put together a hell of a phone this time. That said, I still don't know the price. I don't expect it to be cheap. We'll let you guys know as soon as I do via Twitter, the description, or a pinned comment. So I guess that's it for my first impressions and unboxing of the Pixel 3XL from Google. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you felt about this video. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon if you've already subscribed. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.